by 2. Does that work? Do you get a whole number on your calculator? Yes, you get what? 50. So we're going to draw a little like tree branch and we're going to say 2 and 50. Okay, the 2 cannot go any further because it's on our list, okay? But the 50 can. So don't erase on your calculator. You're just going to say divided because the 50 will still be on there as long as you didn't erase. If you did, then you're going to have to type the 50 again. Okay, you're going to say 50 divided by 2. What do you get? 25. So you're going to say 2 and 25. Okay, now, I know most of you guys probably know what the 25 is, but I want you to do it so you can see. Okay, now say divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. What do you get? If you get a fraction or a decimal, that means the number does not work. So what you need to do then is take the next number on your list. So say 25 divided by 3. Does that work? No. Okay, so take the next number on your list. 25 divided by 5. That works. So it's 5 and 5. And I shouldn't have started with this example because it's going to not mess you guys up. But okay, so we're going in groups of 2. Okay? Now, does it make sense for me to take Faith's sibling to Kroger?
No.
I've never even met that kid. No. Okay? So I'm only going to go with my like people. I'm 2s, she's 5s. Okay? So, see how I have 2 2s? That means that they are allowed to go to Kroger. Okay? So we're going to circle these guys. If we're allowed to go to Kroger, and you can look at this like it's a house. Okay? That means that they are allowed to go outside the house. Okay? But only one kid gets the debit card. Who gets the debit card? The older kid. So we're going to put somebody here. They got 1 debit card. Okay? Does the 5 have a match? Yeah, he's got a partner. Okay, that means that they're allowed to go to Kroger. Okay, so we're going to put him on the outside as well. Okay, now we're only allowed to circle 2s, 3s, 5s, 7s. Okay, is there anybody left? Okay, can we circle the 50? No, it's not a 2, 3, 5, or 7. You're not allowed to circle it. The 25 is not a 2, 3, 5, or 7. You're not allowed to circle it. So all that's saying is when you have nothing underneath, and this is why I should not have started with this example, but I didn't know and I already got too far into it to restart. Okay? All that's saying is everyone went. Okay? If we have an odd number left over, then we'd say, sorry, Ty, you can't go. You don't have a buddy. Okay?
So the answer is just 25.
So it's not 25. So what you need to do with the 2 numbers like this is you're going to multiply them. Okay, so what is 2 times 5? 10. And you never see it written like that. You don't see 10 square root empty. So the answer is just 10. However, if you leave it, either one works for me. Okay? Now, I don't expect you to get it. If you're feeling like, man, I'm really lost. Good. Okay? Good. That you're not going to get it right this second on problem number 1. Okay? Okay, let's look at number 3. Okay, so on your calc, first of all, what's our group number? 2, right? There's no number, baby number on the outside, so it's a 2. So on your calculator, you're going to say 72 divided by 2. 36. So you're going to say 2 and 36. 36 divided by 2. 2 and 18. 18 divided by 2. 2 and 9. And what goes into 9? 3 and 3, okay? The smaller you get, the easier the numbers become. Okay, so we're circling groups of 2. So who is allowed to go?
Everyone. Well, besides.
Just start with 1. Who's allowed to go?
2.
A group of 2s, right? He's got a partner.
3.
A group of 3s, they got a partner. Who is not allowed to go?
1, 2.
The 1, 2 is not allowed to go. Why is he not allowed to go? That is my kid, right? I only have 1 kid. I'm not letting her walk all the way to Kroger. She doesn't have a sibling. She's not going. Okay? Now, if she had a neighbor kid, right, she could probably go. So, this group of 2s, right, he's going to go on the outside. This group, they can go. That means they can go on the outside of the house. Okay? What about this guy? Can he go? No, he cannot go. So, he has to stay in his house. So, we're going to put him back. All right, what do you do with that 2 and the 3 on the outside? Times it. So what is 2 times 3? 6. And then we're going to say square root of 2.
Wait, how do we get the 2 and the 3?
With this one?
Yes.
So you see how he doesn't have another match?
Mm-hmm.
That means he can't go, so he's got to go back in the house.
Okay.
All right?
and then you put the 3 on the outside because
Mhm.
the neighbor.
So he's got a buddy, so he can go, and he's got a buddy, so he can go. See how he's got no
there's
buddy?
2 theories.
Mhm.
Okay. I understand
What's up?
And
Can I just click this?
No, no. It's not gonna work.
It's still working.
It does on some, but not all. But that's why I tell you guys, you have to show your work. Okay, 8. What are some factors at 8?
2,
2 and 4. And then what? 2 and 2. What is my group number? We go in groups of what? 2, right? There's no number on the outside, so it's a 2. If there was a 3 there, then I would take these 3 2s. So if I said, hey, you guys can go to the mall, but you gotta stay in groups of 3s, right? Then you 3 could go, you 3 could go, you 3 could go, you 3 could go. Bud can't go because he's the extra, okay? He wouldn't be able to go, okay? So we're taking it in groups of 2s. So who can go? A group of 2s. Where do they go?
They go to the mall.
Outside, yep. Who cannot go?
The 4.
Not the 4.
The other two.
The other 2. Why can't we use the 4?
Because it's not a number. The number you need.
You need a what? What are the numbers?
2, 3, 5, and 7.
2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. So, is there anything for us to multiply? No. So this one is done. Okay. If you had me last year, you did this last year, it's probably coming pretty easy for you. Okay. If you had someone else, I don't know how they taught you, so you just hang on. Okay, 63. So we're going to say 63 divided by 2.
It don't work.
Don't work. Why not? What's it say?
It was a fraction.
It's a fraction, so we can't use that. Okay, so you say 63 divided by 3. 3 and 21. Okay, 21. 3 and 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, if you did it with 2, it wouldn't work. Okay, what is our group number?
3.
Our group number.
9. Oh, 1.
2. We're going in groups of 2s. Okay, so who is allowed to go?
1.
Wait, how?
3.
Where's my group number at? No, where's my group number? What tells us what we're going in groups of 2s, or we're going in groups of 5s, or groups of 3s? Okay, this right here, this is your group number. Because sometimes it's going to change, and it's going to say, if it said 3, that means I would have to have 3 3s to circle. Okay, they would go in a group. I'd have to have 3 7s. Okay, so we're going in groups of 2. So who is allowed to go?
3.
The 3s. Okay, so we got 3. Who is not allowed to go? The 7. Is there anything for us to multiply?
No.
No. So this one is done. Okay, 144.
72.
Huh?
72. 272.
272.
236.
236. Okay. 2 and 18. 18. 2 and 9. 3 and 3. Okay, take a second for yourself and start circling who's allowed to go. Okay, who is allowed to go?
2 2s. 2 2s and a 3.
2 2s.
Yeah. Another 2 2s.
2 groups of 2s, right?
Yeah.
It matters. Okay, 2 groups of 2s. Can the 3s go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, where do we put those guys?
Outside.
Outside. So on the outside it's going to look like 2, 2, 3. Who is not allowed to go?
No one.
Why can't we pick the 9?
Because it's not a number. Like we need. It's not 2, 3, 5, or 7.
It's got to be a 2,
It
3,
doesn't
5,
have
or
a
7. partner. Yep. Okay. So and plus it does not have a partner. Okay. Same thing with the 72, the 36, the 18. They don't have a partner. So let me ask you again. Who cannot go?
Nobody.
Nobody. That means everybody can go. Okay. So we can all go. So nobody's gonna go back on the inside. What do you do with these? You multiply them. So on your calculator, type in 2 times 2 times 3. 12. Okay, and a lot of you guys probably know that the square root of 144 is 12. Okay, let me tell you this. This is my last little piece.